peek and try them and look like good. Don't tell the comments. Shh. They're rare. Let's see what they look like. Yeah. Whoa. This is Catboy one. This is Catboy. I want it. Thank you. I got these guys. I love these colors because I'm going to open mine. It's like a rainbow. Wait, guys, where's the wires? Is there anything under? Whoa! So let me guess. This is the charger and this is the connector. It comes with a warranty card. Cool. No. I need batteries. Oh, there's one more thing. Instructions. What is it? This is due to buttons. I didn't know that. Meow.
It's really cute.
Meow. Meow.
Ooh.
Meow. 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 Oh, hey guys. I was listening to some music. Yeah. It's like, nope, nothing's connected to them. So they light up whenever you turn on. They will light up once you turn on the on or off switch. So off, and then on. The sides light up, the kitty cat, and then the ears are the cutest part. Hey, this is my favorite because I'm Catboy. But guys, if you have, so how do you hook this up? You take this end, not this end, this end, and you put it into the headphones. The lights will not light up anymore. Well, hold on. Are they still lighting up? Oh, okay. So don't turn them off. Leave the lights running until you hook this in. Or if you don't want them running as you have them hooked in, just take this out, turn them off. And this part you would hook up into your iPhone, iPad, whatever you need. But me personally, I hook them up to my iPad. And where you hook them up to your iPad, well, on mine, I have this little thing right there. Of course, the lights turn off then. Hey guys, you need your headphones charged. Get this, put it in here, and put it on your long charger on your iPad or your computer.
With that end and then it'll charge it up?
Yeah.
Oh, great. What are you watching?
A&P!
Adventures with A&P?
So a little thing, if you're only hearing out of one ear, that means this isn't plugged in all the way. And this right here, it turns it up.
Volume control?
Yeah, it's a volume.
Okay, and how loud do they get? Are they going to bust your eardrums?
Yeah. I turn it right up. Well, guys, this is all that comes in the box. Mm-hmm. The headphones, the cord that connects it to whatever device you're listening to, the charging cord, the warranty card, the most important thing, because if something happens, you don't want to have to pay for new ones, so you get a warranty. Riwbox for sending us these headphones. Yourselves. Yes. And yeah, just let us know if you ever had headphones like these or if you do have these headphones. So yeah. No, you don't. Bye.